So this video is for my 124008 guys. We're gonna take a look at the URGENEX 2200 mAh 50C LiPo. We're gonna let it run. We're gonna let it rip on the track tonight. I think these are going to be a great solution. They fit almost perfectly in there. It's a little short, so I'm just taking a little piece of this. Ramp it up so hopefully this is adjusted good. Find out later, won't I? So this is our basher queen. We had a thunderstorm today when we were out and about, so we didn't get to go to the skate park, so we're gonna shoot for it tomorrow. Bring both WLs out. It's a little change of plans, the way things go. But you can see this is all GEMRC upgrades, all the metal. I am going to be doing a full upgrade on this. As soon as they come in, I got a whole new drivetrain coming. This is the one we beat up the most. So, I personally, with this URGENEX battery, I've been pretty happy with it. I think it's going to work well in here. We'll see, right? So just tuck that on like that. And it should hold up. Piece of cardboard probably do it too. Don't really matter. So ignore the receiver. I'm not going to get sticky tape just to do that. It'll stay in there. So did some track work today. Where's my other? So this is 2S50C. Moved some stuff around on the track. Weed whacked. Oh, this is pretty much first real run we've done with her since we did the upgrades and glued the chassis. Waiting for the new one, but she's running good. Remember, this is only 2S, so not a 3. On the track, you can't even run 3S. It's not worth your time. Running good. Oh, traction roll! Man, this thing's pretty. So, last time we ran these batteries, we were averaging between 32 and 35 minutes. Oh, that was a good one. Ooh. So even these tires, these are GEMRC $4.70 tires. I'm testing those out at the same time, so a little happy on the gas there. That was a good run too. So we put lights out around today. Some solar jobbers. We'll see how well they light up. It's getting near that time of day. My dual rate set at. Let me turn it down a little. Turn it on 75. See if I get a little more control. This really ain't a track car, but She does everything my LC does at half the price. Doesn't feel as nice, trust me. These tires definitely don't grip as much as the knobbies. That's why the wall rides are so much harder. But that's part of the test. We're looking at these tires too. Safety first, kids. Oh, we never failed. So one of my subscribers, Mike, sent me some pictures of his rig. I'll probably put them in somewhere along the way here. This thing's got some punch. The battery's awesome. Sorry to switch subjects. So anyways, he's got some oversized wheels. Says it works good in the grass. Relatively inexpensive. I have to look at the email. But it's pretty cool. And then my other buddy Michael Fear, hopefully he'll be sending me, he's got very similar kind of tires. These are orange, I think. I'm hoping he sends me a couple photos. But make sure you guys do that. I know there's, you know, what do you upgrade? What are you doing? You know, it's good to know what people are having problems with. Like these batteries, I think they're a good solution. They're relatively inexpensive. I think the coupon right now is what, 15% off of a 2-pack, and they're $32. So you're looking at like $15 a battery. Not bad for a 50C. Remember, your WL, even the good ones that come with the 104s, the 2600 mAh, you're talking 25C at max. You know, that's double. And you get 30 minutes plus of runtime. 2200 mAh. Now the stock battery for almost all the WLs is the blue. What is it? The blue 1600 mAh, or you can upgrade to 2100. They're way bigger. Again, these work in HPXs. I'll get all the cars out and show you all the ones they work with. They work for the EC30s. They fit perfect for all the Maboxons and the probably the Bezgars and all the ones you get the lithium-ion batteries in. But this thing rips. In my rambling mode. Dang it. Trying to find my Zen. I haven't found it yet. Anyways. So you can see I need new body. That's why I'm not caring too much about the body clips. It's held together with electrical tape right now. It's spider web, so there ain't no saving it. I'll probably put a layer of sticky tape on it or something. Drywall tape. okay. Wish I knew where that other clip went. So hopefully you like what the track's coming along. Won't be long. I'll probably bring the probably do a night run tonight with my custom 12 because it's got the lights on it. I think it'll look cool. Get Hand my man out. So expect to see that coming soon. Oh, one of these days I'm going to send her to the moon right off the end of that ramp and see what happens. Uh-oh. Oh, battery moved. Okay, we got it secured a little bit more. You see that? It hit the steering rod. Well, this is that piece of crap Surpass Hobby servo. Don't get that, man. Don't get that plastic one. Look at that thing. Freaking junk. Anyway, I guess that's cutting it short. This battery's nice though. I got no complaints. We're gonna take these out for a speed run tomorrow. All the WLs, our speed run rig. We're gonna get them tested good. I don't care what it takes. We're gonna do it. So back to the drum board. So again, like I was saying, really take a look at these, especially for the size, and it's not even warm. I mean, that was a good 10 minutes. You know? I stopped in the middle a little bit there. This is another 6, so that's 10 minutes, and it's not even barely touching it. Everything's warm. Everything's not too bad. I don't have my thermometer here, so I'm not testing it, but I could touch it. It ain't too bad. So, hope you guys liked. I'll see you when I see you.